Hey guys, we're going to look at another little trick for your lead, and it's what was taught to me as the BB King box. Now, it's absolutely awesome. If we run up our blues scale, just using a pentatonic, we've got a little extension box. Right, what I'm talking about with the BB King box is I'm going to shift my extension box up, and I'm actually doing a little key change here, and it just works really well. And then I'm slipping back. So you're doing this really cool little key change that just totally blows everything out. So see how that's just got that lift to it. All right, it's great fun. So if we're playing in A, you've got your extension box, and then right up on that 10th and 12th is your BB King. All right, so you can almost chromatic run back through to your scale, but sliding up, it's got a very, very, very cool, airy feeling to it. So you might be wondering, what on earth is it? Now, if you have a think, your extension box is all standard notes from your pentatonic scale. So let's just go with, there's our root note, we're going to octave it. Alright, so starting from here, here's our root note. What you've actually got there is a ninth, and that's what gives us a really cool lift, like a lovely, high, nice feeling. All right. Now, that's that note. What on earth is that? So, let's go back and go, all right. There's my fifth. That is actually a natural sixth. All right, not something that we really associate with a blues scale at all, but it's got a great tone to it. Check your root note, the interval. Adds a lot of tension. All right. And the intervals between it sound great. And of course, they're the same intervals as here. All right, so it's doing this two different things. You've got some really cool intervals, adding in a ninth and a natural sixth, but it's also like doing a key change for your lead. So you can replicate some patterns here, and they're really, really awesome. Let's have a look at our other notes. Okay. So this one, we know we've got that going on. That's got to be a fourth. All right. That's also in our extension box. So what's happening here is fifth. So you've actually got a couple of pretty standard, but then some different ninths and sixth, flat sixth, into your fifth, fifth, flat fifth, fourth. Alright, and you can see how this can flow in. So if we have a you're starting to get some very creative, unique sounds. You're jumbling things up, like scrambling people's brains with what's that, what's going on. So what I want you to do is just try a couple of slide-ins. All right, so just pick anywhere you like. All right, slide up. And playing around with those three notes. Those three notes are really going to work for you. Beautiful high little melodies. So, BB King box. Just some great high-end lead. And look, muck around with it. This is where we totally break the rules. Okay, so you've got a pentatonic as a bass there, you've got the extension box, you've got the minor slip, and you've got a BB King box. You are now ready to shred some blues. We'll leave it there. I'll see you next time.